Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Alright, we're going to change the battery on your 5-button smart remote for your Equinox. This one here, I do have a ring on there because this is a new remote. I do not have a key ring attached to it. So, with that, I leave them on because it helps with the General Motors. You're going to need a flat tip to do this task, and you're going to just need a battery, a 2032 battery. Okay, if you look on the side of your housing, you'll see it's all black, and then you'll have a silver button. Just take your flat tip, lay it flush on the side. You don't need to use a point, and just slowly push in. Your emergency release popped out. Once that's done, turn around, pull your emergency key out, put it back in, and just go in about 1/4 of an inch, and just give it a rotate where the key's up, and you'll see it just popped itself open. You see a little gap in through here. Go ahead, use your fingernails, and you just slowly lift it up. Your remote comes apart. Take your housing, hold it, flip it over. I like to put the remote back in to where its respective place is. Go and take your flat tip now, put it on your battery, lift up right up here in the top, and when you go put it back in, go ahead, put it in down at an angle so the bottom goes in first, then the top. You hear it snap. Battery's in. Go and roll your remote over, and you slowly work your way around, and you'll start seeing it seat itself. And as you notice, it's back together. Put your emergency key back in. There you go. You've just now changed the battery on your Equinox 5-button smart key. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there.